Hi everyone, Melissa here. Coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, Will Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY I'm a Diva. This week's theme is picnic. Next week's theme will be sewing. And so if you have anything sewing related, please enter into our collabs. We also enter our collab into hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. All of the ladies' links will be down below. So this week I am using this die set from KS Crafts, and I already had some pies made up, but I just wanted to show you where I got them from. I used these little cookies here to make my pies. For my blanket, I am using this from My Creative Time, which is called Beach Gingers number 2, and I'm using this one here without the add-ons. And then from her latest release, I am using this Leaf Wagon add-ons plate die, and I'm using I want to say this leaf, no, this leaf and this little small one from there. And from her Flower Wagon add-on plate dies, I am using a few of these flowers. And from Cuttlebug, I am using this embossing folder here, and that is called the Oriental Weave. I thought it resembled, of course, a basket. And then I just pulled out of this little stash here that I have a bunch of sentiments that I've just cut out. Some of them I printed out on my computer and just found some dies to cut them out. Anyways, I grabbed my sentiment from there. And then from Honeybee Stamps, I'm using these little gem stickers here. And this is my card. It was inspired by Pinterest. I'll show you that card right about now. And this card just turned out so pretty to me. I thought that blue background made just such a bold statement. And so I did use that My Creative Time blanket, like I said. And I added a few flowers onto the leaves there. And it says, "Sweet birthday wishes." This little strawberry also came from My Creative Time. I forgot to show you that. I think it's the strawberry plate die or something like that. I can't remember though. And I don't know where I got this from here. So I have another container that just has a bunch of fruits in it. And so that's where I pulled that from. And there goes the inside of the card there. Just pretty plain, but I love how that little blanket looks. I thought it was perfect. And then, oh, let me show you where I got the paper from. I got that paper from Lawn Fawn. This was a gift from Veronica, VLB Allen 1, and I love this paper. I'm so glad I thought about using it to grab something that resembled like a blanket or a picnic pattern on there. So that was perfect. So that's why I got the paper. But I love the way this card looks here. If you have the time this week, please enter into our collabs, hashtag Two Crafters One Design or hashtag Saturday Morning Makes. I'm sorry, hashtag Satmore Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood. That's all I have for you. Make sure you use the ladies' links down below, and you all have a blessed and crafty day.